Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another PC build. The recent AMD build which I have made, I'll share the link in the description below. You can check out that video. It was a great success and many of my subscribers has purchased that PC and I've shipped it all over India. And thanks for showing such a love, my lovely subscribers. And coming to the PC build for today's video, it would be the same Ryzen PC build, which is Ryzen 3 1200, and the components would be different cabinet, different motherboard, different power supply, and a monitor is included in this build. So let us start with the component price. How much have I charged my subscriber for those components for this PC build, and you will come to know what components you really need to build this PC and why I have decided to use these components for this PC build. Let's start talking about the components. Starting with the cabinet first, we have this Cooler Masterbox Lite 5. It's a great cabinet, has a very good look. I've already made a dedicated video about it, so I'm not going to talk much about this cabinet. The link would be in the description below for the dedicated video of this wonderful cabinet. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below for this dedicated video. And the pricing, 3800 is the approx price on Amazon, and I've charged my subscriber 3300 for this cabinet. It also has extra trim, so you can change the color of this red here. You can change it to white or black as per your ambience and what you like. And the second thing which we have here is a processor. This is Ryzen 3 1200 processor. It's a wonderful processor, and trust me, it does pretty good job at a price of 6500. Yes, 6500 is what I have charged my subscriber. Available on Amazon for 7600 approx. Then we have this motherboard. Talking about the motherboard, the motherboard is Asus Prime 350 Plus, and it is a wonderful motherboard. I will share the link in the description below for a dedicated video for this motherboard. Wonderful motherboard as compared to other B350 motherboard. So this is what I will really recommend if someone really wants to overclock, and it is full size ADX motherboard, and this is available for 7800. 7800 is what I have charged my customer, and I have shared the link in the description below. You can check the dedicated video for this motherboard. It's a decent and a very good motherboard, trust me. The next thing which we have is Corsair VS450. It is 80 plus and has 120mm fan, does the job, and it is more than enough for this build. The Corsair VS450 power supply is available for 2500 in Indian market. I have charged 2300 for this power supply. So the next component which we have is WD 120GB SSD, and this is available for 3600 on Amazon. I have charged 3400 for this 120GB SSD. It is really important to put a SSD on your system. It will really make your system fast. The next component which we need is a Hyperx DDR4 RAM, which is 2400 MHz, and it is 8GB. The price in Indian market is 7800 approx. I have charged my customer 6800 for this RAM, and I think this is a really good RAM. We also need a hard drive to keep a lot of data, so 1 TB 1 terabyte WD hard drive. This is available for approx 3200 on Amazon or market. I have charged 2950 rupees for this WD 1 TB hard drive. 7200 RPM, works great. The next thing which we have is AOC monitor. This is 18.5-inch monitor, available for 4800 rupees in Indian market. On Amazon, the same model is available for 5000 rupees, and does the work pretty well. However, at that price you can't expect more. LG is available for 5000, and it is not much difference. LG and AOC has almost same quality, so probably you should save 200 and buy this. If you like LG, go for LG. 5000 for LG, 4800 for this monitor. MSI 1052GB OC, and this is available for approx 13,000-14,000 on Amazon or other websites, and I am charging 11,000 for this graphic card. This works really well, and the Afterburner software is really good. If you really want to overclock, this graphic card does the job pretty well. 11,000, and according to the budget, this was the best GPU which we can get. So yeah, that's about the component for this PC build. And small add-on, as I love my subscribers, so I really want to give things to them. In this case, on my previous video I have upgraded some components. In this video I am giving a free keyboard and mouse. It is a basic keyboard and mouse, so not really charging anything for that. So yeah, basic keyboard mouse is free for my subscriber. And talking about the pricing, the total price comes to 49,350 including the monitor. And now let's just go ahead and start making the PC. Let's build this, and let me show how to add all those components, and also we'll do a small benchmark test at the end of the video, so keep watching. Alright, so we are done with the PC build, we are done with the benchmark, and this is how the PC looks. And the camera won't be able to capture the inside lighting. It doesn't have RGB, but it does have red light all over the motherboard, which looks beautiful. And if you install RGB fan, that would look great. That's about the video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I would love to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.